What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, what we got going on, guys? We got to talk about the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, I got the Pixel 7 Pro on deck. Shout out to Team Pixel. Had the Pixel 7 Pro since launch. I just put the Android 14 Beta 3 on this thing a couple days ago because I really like to pay attention to these Pixels, especially pre the next Pixel, pre-Pixel 8 Pro, and I like to keep up with this Tensor processor. This Tensor, we on the second generation of Tensor. Now, a couple things I picked up is a couple nice style touches on this Android 14 beta. I like how they doing things with the customization of the lock screen, and I like how they doing the customization of the wallpaper and just your regular home screen setup and things of that nature. I'm running just the straight Google launcher, no Nova launcher right now. As you can see, I got at a glance on because I just want to get that I just want to be pixelated in the whole experience. Now, it's a couple things that I'm concerned about when it comes to Pixel, guys. Pixel has been really good, like as far as being like flying like in its own lane with its own computational photography and decent performance, not the best performance, but decent performance. And we have this is a pro device. The thing that I'm having an issue with, guys, is in Android 13 and Android 13 Pixel 6 Pro, that series, we had some overheating issues, thermal issues. Pixel 7 Pro, thermal issues were not as to the front, especially from my perspective, from my experience. It's the thermal issues were still there, not as bad as the Pixel 6 Pro with that first generation Tensor, but it still existed. Now it seems Android 14, I've saw the lack of thermal issues with the Pixel 7 Pro, but it seemed like battery life has taken a drastic hit with this Android 14. Even though it's still in developer mode, I'm just worried. I'm documenting everything, guys. So don't say, oh well, you're on beta. Yeah, I'm on beta, and I'm gonna be right back when the full 14 comes out and when the next beta come out, because the beta is running really well. And it's just like, I'm curious. I feel like the Tensor G2 can run really good and be is always fluid all the ways, but just be no lag at all, no glitches at all. But I feel like it takes a hit on the battery life. Like with this hardware, we've came as far as we can come on with software on Pixels. Not as far as we could come, but I feel like we're at the top of hardware when it comes to software. The software is so good that they have to upgrade the hardware, and I'm really looking forward to the third generation of the Tensor to see what type of performance they can make, because they've got some catching up to do. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and my OnePlus 11 and my S23 Ultra is running great. I never have any thermal issues. It's optimized. The battery life is there. So with that being said, like, especially with the Pixel 7s, they can slide. They're so cheap. Pixel 7, Pixel 7a, all that, cheaper Pixels, they can slide. But with this Pro, and this Pro being close to $1,000, it's not $1,000 device unless you get some up storage. But I just wanted to be able to run with the big Ultra and Pro type devices, guys. So that's where I'm at with it right now, guys. I want them to really step their game up over at Google with this Tensor G3, because it can't be this, especially for this device. Even if they have to up the price of this device, the Pixel 7 Pro cannot be mid. Oh, it does great, it's fluid, it does great photography, computational photography, but outside of that, it's not a performer. Like, no, that's not the route I want to go. I need this. I want to have a great thermals. I want to have good performance and efficiency all in this device. But I really think the Tensor G3 will bring that out. So we're going to check it out. I'm just checking in. I want y'all feelings. Argue with me in the comment section. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.